Tutorial kak, oke aku mau buat tutorial video
kayak gini. Check it out. Jadi kita pakai speednya 1 kali dulu. Terus kita ke pengaturan waktu. Kita atur musiknya 0,2 detik aja guys. Terus kalian mulai bergaya. Dan pada saat sudah tiba, gerakan kalian kayak mau maju gitu loh guys. Itu kalian ulang-ulang terus. Di bagian gerakan 3 kali yang terakhir, kalian pilih yang speed 3 kali. Sesuaikan gerakan dengan beat lagu. And then lakuin gerakan ini. Stop. Pertahankan posisi kamu di situ. Lalu kamu pencet yang speed 1 kali. Lalu kita ulangin gerakan ke depan. So ini hasilnya.
Welcome to the tutorial on how to do this trend. So pretty much you go and put your phone in 1x, make sure it's in 1x, and then you put your timer before every single beat drop, and then you get in a random pose, you go back, and you slowly slide in like this. And you do that all for like the first 5 seconds. After the beat gets faster, you make sure that your phone's still in 1x, and you do a random pose, and you just stay still and make sure it's for the shortest amount of time because the beats are so close together. And you continue doing that. After that, you go ahead and put your phone in 3x, put it for the shortest amount of time, go to the side and slide in a pose. Then you go back, put your phone in 1x, put it before the next beat drop, and you slide in that exact same pose slowly forwards. And you continue doing that until it ends.